In the last episode, we spent the entire week with Riley at RS Motorsport fitting and installing a roll cage that is, without question, the best it could possibly be. But on the note of safety, we've got a bit more safety equipment we need to get installed in this car so that it is ready for competition. Now let's talk about the seats in the Ferrari. Previously, I had GT pad Sabelts. But given that the rest of the car has more or less gone full race car, I decided I wanted the seat to match. I want as much safety as possible. So I reached out to Racetech and asked if they'd be interested in partnering up, and luckily they said yes. And as a result, they sent over a Model 4119 full containment seat. As for differences between this seat and my last one, there are some quality of life improvements such as better padding and ventilation in the seat back, but what I'm really interested in are the mounts built within the back of the seat for a seat back anchor. And that might be overkill for what I'm going to be doing with the car, but as said, I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. But installing this Racetech seat means we've got to design some new seat mounts. Getting the seat into the car is a battle in and of itself. It barely fits through the gap we have in our door bars, but thankfully, it clears by a few millimeters and drops into place. I mentioned in our previous episode that we have changed the driving position of the car by moving the seat towards the middle. And with the Racetech in place, we can see just how far over it is compared to the original mounts in the floor. It's shifted over by several inches, so we'll need a mount that accounts for this and the additional lean back of the seat compared to its original mounts. I fired up Fusion 360 and designed a mount that works in 2, or technically 3 pieces, 2 side mounts and a base plate that adapts between the car and where the seat wants to be situated. I'll be having Send cut this out of 3/16 aluminum, and because I was a little bit worried about offsetting the seat, I had my friends on the StanceWorks Discord perform a finite element analysis to confirm that this mount will be more than strong enough. As a result, now we just wait for the seat mounts to arrive.